The modern and sophisticated designs are distinguished by their combination of traditional and modern functions. It is the technological conceptual development and the adoption of new and innovative designs that meet the requirements of modern life. In this recent video, we will show you a group of designs and ideas for kitchen designs that preserve, shade, and attract their historical spirit over time. One of the hot candle covers are designs for open kitchen grills. It features an integrated space and provides a feeling of dining between the kitchen and the rest of the house. The flat kitchen or dining room is used, making it additional for preparing and serving and creating a lively social environment. Also, modern geometric designs and modernity in the use of materials and colors. These luxurious, high-quality designs select from marble, granite, glass, and stainless steel to achieve a touch of luxury and elegance. Colors vary between calm and neutral colors such as white, beige and gray, to bold and oriental colors such as dark green to add a touch of liveliness and personality to the kitchen. New effects technology is an important factor in many companies. Indirect lighting can be used to create a welcoming atmosphere in the kitchen. Icicles can be used from ceilings and lights built into cabinets and shelves for bright illumination and are suitable for fogging and preparation work. In addition, colored lighting or dim lighting can be used to provide aesthetic and attractive touches to the kitchen. Modern designs can also be used to give an artistic and aesthetic touch to the kitchen. Stained glass or colored bottles can be used as kitchen background decoration, adding a creative and cheerful touch to the space. IFC can also be used for chandelier or Copenhagen plaster, which is decorated with ornaments and combines luxury and beauty. Using smart technology, we can review a range of smart home appliances and equipment available in modern kitchens, such as pre-cooking ovens, refrigerators with smart screens, and home appliances connected to the internet. These devices can be controlled through apps on smartphones or voice commands, providing convenience and ease of use. Sustainable design. We can highlight the importance of sustainable design in modern kitchens. Eco-friendly and renewable materials such as sustainable wood and natural fibers can be used in the design of flooring and cabinetry. Water and energy-saving appliances can also be installed to keep the kitchen sustainable in the long term. Smart storage spaces. We can review innovative ideas for designing storage spaces in modern kitchens. Smart wardrobes with sliding doors or built-in hidden cupboards can be used to provide additional storage space. Open shelves, deep drawers, and innovative home pot holders can also be used to organize tools and utensils beautifully and practically. Focus on details. We can focus on the small details that add a touch of elegance and distinction to the kitchen. For example, utensils and dishes with a modern design and harmonious colors can be used. Soft lighting can also be installed in cabinets to highlight dishes and glass ornaments. Attention to functional details. We can review ideas to improve practical functions in the kitchen. For example, a powerful suction system can be installed that helps eliminate odors and grease during cooking. Additional work areas can also be provided, such as areas for temporary storage of prepared foods. In the end, the modern designs of the stores respect and reflect the spirit of modernity and technological development, while preserving the heritage and correct functionality. A combination of using quality materials, diverse colors, advanced technologies, and creative designs. In addition, this video will inspire you and provide new ideas for designing your modern and contemporary kitchen in a way that will last over time.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Clouds don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.